pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Well, hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. So today I have the Norvina Volume 5. Yes, I am super excited to be able to review this palette, and I cannot wait to get into this. So why are we waiting? Let's just get into the unboxing, the revealing of it, and what I think of this palette and the eye look, and let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, guys. Hi. How are you? Guys, guess what I got? We are gonna unbox the new Norvina Volume 5 palette. I'm really excited. And of course, I bought all of this. Well, not all of this. I mean, there's only one thing in here, but I bought it so I can review it for you. Oh, so excited. They put like added stuff in my cart too. Like I got a sponge, which is always handy. And then I got the Anastasia Luminous Foundation samples. And I already have a luminous foundation, so I'll probably end up sending these to one of my gems that wants to try it. Okay, of course we have the bill. Yikes. And here's the palette. Guys, I have volume 1 through 4. I had to add to my collection. Wow, she's pretty. And we're going to compare, and we're going to do some swatches, and of course we're going to do an eye look. But I wanted to give you my first impressions. This is something I haven't done. Really, I don't think I've done a first impressions video. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Now her palettes are $60. They come with a mirror. And let me tell you, here's the volume 4. Oh my gosh. The pigment in these is insane. Oh my gosh, it's even prettier in person. Look. Look at this glitter. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. The mirrors are awesome too, because you can actually put them back like this. So you could actually use this mirror because it's big enough to actually apply your eyeshadow. What's going on with your hair, Karen? My hair doesn't want to work today. It's actually hot now here where I am. Okay, so we've got a lot of browns, a lot of lilacs, purples, and we've got some shimmers that are looking pretty amazing. So we're going to do some swatches. We're going to do some comparisons to the other palettes and an eye look. And I'm excited because after this eye look, I'm going to do a mini photo shoot. So, yay! Okay, I'm like so excited. I don't know where to start right now. I wanted to see, like I said, these are $60. They're heavy. They're like, there's weight to it. Whenever there's like weight to something, I'm like, the quality's got to be there. And with her shadows, I mean, her pigments are absolutely insane. And this looks like a really awesome palette because you've got the lavender brightness, the purple brightness, but then you've also got these awesome colors like gold and bronze, and you've got that white that's in here. That was in, I want to say it was in her first palette. I'm just like, wow, there's so much you can do. Okay, I'm going to dip into A4. There is some kick up for sure. I've got concealer on my eyes. And I believe she had said the undertones. She's right. She's got like browns in here with like purple undertones. That's pretty amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. crazy. I've never seen this done before. A brown with a purple undertone. Huh. Wow. Okay. I can't believe it. It's brown in the pan and like purplish on the eyes. That's pretty insane. That's a great transition shade for starting out wanting to do a purple or lilac eye. Oh my goodness. That is freaking amazing. Way to go, Norvina. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Transition shade. Beautiful. So we've got... oh my goodness. I need to just... a dark brown with a purple undertone. That is absolutely awesome. I'm going to be working my way up to that one for sure. Crazy. Okay, so we went in with A4. Now we're going in with A5 because it's a little bit darker and I really want my crease dark because I have hooded eyes and I want my eye to look bigger. And I'm going to take this blending brush. It's a Jaclyn Hill times Morphe collaboration. And the way that you do this technique is you really want to get in here. It sounds like I have a dirty mind. Get in here. In the crease and put that color as dark as you can get it because it's going to really make the eyelid look bigger. And that is what we want. Oh, wow. I am so excited. I don't think I've been this excited for a palette in a long time. Yes. So, did you guys want to pick up this palette? The other thing with Anastasia is they ship so quickly. This palette just came out, what, on the 7th? And it's the 9th and it's here. I love it. You don't have to wait forever to where the excitement dies down by the time you get the product. You're like, this was last week, you know? Look at that. That's beautiful. I am thrilled. That's so crazy. I want to make sure everything is nice and symmetric. I'm just like in shock right now. I just really want to build up that crease. I think we're going to go in with C5, which is even darker, and put that right here. It might get a little messy before it gets better, but that's normal. You got to blend, and I'm so not used to the pigment. Oh my gosh, like it's been so long since I played with these palettes that I forgot just how pigmented they are. That's insane. Do you see that? Insane. Wow. Holy jeez. This is pretty amazing. I can't believe it. And these are the colors I used. I went in with this one, then I went in with this one, and now I'm going in with this one, and look at how it comes out on the eye. Isn't that insane? All right, I need like my master blending brush already because there's so much pigment on my eye, and I'm not used to shadows coming off like this. So it's like, okay, we need to tone it down a bit. I'm not sure where my master brush is at the moment, but we're going to go in with a blending brush that has nothing on it so we can blend everything out. And what you blend extends, just so you know, that's how it works. So I don't need any more pigment because I want to blend what I have. Look at how beautifully that is blending out. And purples are some of the hardest shadows to make. And this is like, I can't believe it. It has a purple undertone. A brown that has a purple undertone. I'm like shocked. You look at this palette and you see all the purples and then you're like, oh, okay. But then the brown has got that purple undertone. You're like, wow, holy crap. It's really brown in the pan and purple in my eye. I just can't get over it. And they blend like a dream. Score for Norvina. Wow. She's getting really good. This is insane. There's so much pigment on my eyes, look at the brush, and it had nothing on it. That is so insane. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Besides have a heart attack, you know, like, okay, let me grab, I don't even know what to do. I'm stumped. Okay, let's grab a packing brush or a flat brush. Here is a Morphe one, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put something. Oh, this is gorgeous. This reminds me of the color from Bloodlust. Okay. Kayla's here. All right, I'm gonna grab a flat kind of brush here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some concealer and actually do a cut crease because it's just gonna make this stand out even more, and that is what we want. We want an extravagant, awesome look. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush, and I just cannot believe this right now. I'm gonna go in with C1 first. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna put that right here. Look at that. Insane. Black with purple undertone. Purple sparklies. Yeah, that kind of reminds me of the one in Bloodlust, but it's actually better because the sparkles don't disappear. Sorry, Jeffrey, but I'm just speaking the truth. Yeah, this is going to be an insane look. And see what I mean? That would, because we don't need to do a full cut crease because out here it's going to be darker than the colors that we already laid down. And of course I have to go back in and blend, but oh my gosh. Insane. Okay, so I'm struggling now with what I want to put over here. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is like so exciting. Oh, I have to try this. A3. Have to. Yep. Look at that. My Jaclyn Hill brush, and we're gonna blend out here. Let me tell you which brush this is. The JH36. Oh no, but this is insane. Okay, let's go ahead and work in the crease, make sure everything is good. I need some black liner. Now I need me a little round brush, crease brush. We've got to put setting spray on it because we do not want a whole mess of fallout underneath my eye. Okay, now let's see. E3 looks pretty amazing. So we're going to put her here. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Whew. Yep. There's so many gorgeous colors in here. I can't wait to swatch them for you. I'm just like in awe. There's a gold kind of color in here too. Let me see. C1 looks gorgeous. I used that one already, but I'll put some right here. Do D3, which is the color I put here. Oh my god. You don't need glitter. You're gonna sparkle with these. It's absolutely insane. I don't even know what else to say other than it's insane. Okay, we're gonna need a fine detail brush, like this tiny little one right here. This is a crown brush, and B1 is like amazing white sparkles. And I want her for the inner core. Shut up. Oh my gosh. No setting spray on that. Nope. Just a beautiful white, brilliant shade. Oh my goodness, this is going to be my 4K giveaway, I think. That's so insane. Okay, we're going to use this for the brow bone highlight too. It's just so pretty. The undertones in here are just amazing. Guys, do you see this? This is definitely every MUA's dream. Look at that. I want to put on some black liner and clean up this fallout. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my finished look. Can you already guess what I think of this palette? It has so much pigment and is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to do swatches for you guys, but I definitely recommend it. I think that if you're gonna miss out on it, I can't believe how beautiful and gorgeous her palette is. This definitely next level stuff for sure. So everything in her like showing video where she was showing it on Instagram is so true. That futuristic kind of look, that is definitely, this palette fits in with that so well. It's $60 and I'll tell you what, there's Afterpay now. I'm not trying to be a bad influence. I'm just saying that it's definitely worth it. I can't wait to do more looks with it. And I want to take the time to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the comments below. I will do my very best to answer them. And in my next video, I'll be doing swatches and comparing it to her other palettes. So stay tuned for that. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!